am in our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico with Roy. Roy, brother, what part of the world did you come?
Kansas, Sublette, Kansas.
Okay, I'm not going to say we're not in Kansas anymore. Okay, I like that. Okay, what'd you come out for?
So for my knee, because I thought there was nothing you could do about my shaking. I thought I'd be stuck with that for my whole life.
And what kind of results have you noticed?
Sleeping a lot better. My knee, after the first adjustment, didn't feel the pain anymore.
And the cool thing with the shaking, and I know you've seen significant differences. One of the things, and this is where the difference between the guys that do chemical therapy, medical doctors, okay, where they're giving drugs, or the ones looking at how the body reacts. And we've been talking about how if the brain doesn't get that information, then it has to send a motor impulse down. That's why, like, right after you get adjusted, you ain't shaking at all.
Yep.
Yeah. So the biggest thing, and this is essential tremors, Parkinson's, a bunch of stuff, look for the interference in the communication of the brain and the body. And so, you've been through hell, okay? Going to the best doctors, and they say they can't help you or anything. Okay, I don't know if pepper spray is legal in Kansas. Okay, we're both kind of aggressive.
All types of firearms.
Okay, I got to visit Kansas.
Yeah.
Now, what could you tell someone out there? Because, I mean, now you're seeing results after not much hope.
Yep. Well, there is hope. I was a drug addict for 14 years, and so far here, these guys have built me up a long ways. I already feel a lot better. I've only been here 4 days. So there's hope for anybody if there's hope for me.
Yeah. I've got big family history with a lot of addictions. In fact, my dad was on Skid Row for about 3 years and ended up running a halfway house for alcoholics. Harmony Hotel on 3107 Grand Avenue. I don't know if it's still there, but I spent a lot of my youth there. And so, man, if you have anything, get help, okay? And, because your family needs you. And you're making a difference now. And you've been clean and sober for a long time.
5 years.
That's bitching. Yeah. I got some family members that have been clean and sober for over 30. So wow. I know. It's bitching. That it takes such a strength of character. Okay, but take care of yourself. And that just the strength of character to get off of drugs, let alone have accidents and then recover from that. That's why I know I've been trying to talk you into becoming a chiropractor.
Yeah. We'll see. It might happen.
It might happen. Take care of yourselves. And do you have anything that you can say? Because some people are in the dark pit of hell and they don't know any way out.
Well, there's hope in Christ. He got me out of my lifestyle, and there's hope in Him. He can get you out if He got me out. And get help.
Yeah, I'm a firm believer. And when you know that what President Lincoln said, he was driven to his knees a lot of times because he had no place left to go. Yep, me too. We've all been there. Okay, take care of yourselves. There's always hope. And your body is self-healing and self-regulating. Yeah. God bless y'all.
Yep.